Let's talk about why the United States feels unsafe right now and why that feeling is grounded in reality, not panic. Start with the intellectual baseline. Literacy rates are declining, attention spans are collapsing, and public policy debates assume people will not read past the headline. When a population cannot evaluate information, it becomes easier to mislead, easier to polarize, and easier to govern poorly. Now, look at medicine. Access to healthcare is still tied to employment and insurance status. Medical debt remains a leading cause of bankruptcy, and under Robert F. Kennedy Jr., public health institutions are being reshaped by skepticism toward vaccines and evidence-based practice. That does not increase freedom, it increases risk. National security is no better. Experienced civil servants have been purged, intelligence and energy response agencies have been weakened, military professionalism is under political pressure. When expertise is treated as disloyalty, preparedness declines. Cybersecurity follows the same pattern. Critical infrastructure is vulnerable. Government systems are outdated, and private contractors hold enormous power with limited oversight. Meanwhile, cyber attacks are increasing in scale and sophistication. This is not a secret. It is a known weakness. Financially, most Americans are one emergency away from crisis. Wages have not kept pace with housing, healthcare, or education. Households rely on debt to survive, not to invest. That kind of economy is fragile by definition. Why does this matter to the regular person? Because safety is cumulative. When systems fail at the same time, individuals absorb the shock. You feel it in higher costs, worse care, less trust, and constant instability. Historically, societies do not unravel because of one catastrophe. They erode when institutions are hollowed out and leaders insist everything is fine. What we are seeing now is not strength, it is exposure across every major system that keeps a country functioning. If you ever learn anything from me, please support the work that makes this possible. It's not just content, it's curation, education, and legacy building. My link tree is in my bio to follow me on all socials. Stay informed and stay safe.